Alright guys, this is a 2018. It also applies for the 2016 and 2017 Mercedes E300. And we're trying to reset your maintenance light, engine oil light reset. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you how to get this done. Alright, let's shut this boy off, completely off. This is the enter button. With the one you control your display and all the settings. You have to make sure it's on miles. All right, the car has to be totally off. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. All right, so first of all, the car has to be off. You turn the ignition on only once. You press and hold the home button. All right, you have to press the home button, and then 3 seconds after, you have to hold the enter button right here. I'm gonna show you step by step. You hold this button down, that's gonna come up, and then you hold this button down, the one for the center button. Right. All right, so hold this down and then hold this enter button down. All right, you gotta hold it down. All right, and then just push it once, the enter button. All right, that's gonna work. Oh, that's why it's not working, because I had it on ignition too. That's ignition 1. Hold it down, right? Push it once. There you go. All right, ignition position 1. Press and hold home button. Right after, just push once the enter button. You're gonna have that. You gotta go here, assist plus. All right, go enter. Switch the ignition on. That means you gotta go to ignition and position number 2. There you go. You have all the accessories. Full service. Go enter. Confirm service. Go enter. You can press the first one, oil grade. I already did that. I'm gonna go with the second, oil grade 2. And then service carrier out, yes, no, yes. It cannot be undone. Once you get this done, you cannot go back. Confirm. There you go. And then go over here. That's it, it's done. And then you turn the car on. Make sure you leave it back. There you go. Done. Hope you guys help yourself with this. If anything, leave me a feedback, leave me a positive comment. I'll be right here.